Hello, this is Tang from OYANG Machinery. We have become one of leading manufacturers of packaging and printing machinery in just 18 years development. This is inseparable from our continuous improvement of hardware and soft capabilities. All innovation is centered on customers' value. Today, let me introduce our powerful R&D department. It brings together 4 major research centers in the world, with more than 70 R&D personnel. Each of our divisions has an independent R&D team. We set our sights higher and select the top engineering teams in each industry. We have more than 280 patents so far, including 80 invention patents and 200 utility model patents. Annual R&D investment is approximately $4.5 million. Our excellent R&D team is the basis for ensuring that our machines always stay ahead in the industry. Welcome to OYANG to discuss our win-win cooperation.